Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So today, in this video, let us know how to use rainwater for our plants and how does rainwater help in the growth of our plants. This is a very important thing. Let us start the video. Come on. Now, I will tell you top 6 reasons why you should prefer rainwater instead of tap water for our plants. Rainwater contains nitrogen. Nitrogen helps the plants to grow and gives energy. Rainwater is the world's best purified form of water. Rainwater collection during thunderstorms is very special as it contains special nutrients that boosts up the growth in the plants. If there is a deficiency in nitrogen to our plants, the leaves of the plants will be yellowish. And if there is deficiency in nitrogen for a long period of time, the plants may even die. So these are few things that we need to remember, and now onwards try to collect rainwater and give it to your plants. Now you can observe few changes that I observed in my garden after giving rainwater. This is how my garden looks now. I'm giving them rainwater from 1 month and I can see amazing growth in them. See how tall all my plants are now. This is how my money plant looks.